Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. In this video, I will be solving IIT JAM 2015 stat paper for you, and you will be getting more of the solution videos in the next session. So keep checking our channel and stay tuned. Let's start with question number 5. In question number 5, we are given probability of A is equal to 0.5, probability of B is equal to 0.4, and probability of A intersection B complement is equals to 0.2. So we are about to calculate the value of probability of B complement given A union B. Now we need to see how we approach this. So probability of A intersection B complement is equal to probability of A minus probability of A intersection B, that equals to 0.2, and probability of A intersection B is equals to 0.3. So probability of A union B is equals to probability of B intersection A union B by probability of A union B. Now this gives us probability of B by probability of A union B. Probability of A union B is equals to 0.4 by 0.6, that gives us 2 by 3. Let me add a page. So probability of B complement given A union B is equals to 1 minus 2 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. So our correct option is 1 by 3. Let's move on to the next question, and the next question is question number 11. In question number 11, we are given that x1 to xn be random sample from a Poisson population where theta greater than 0 is unknown. The Cramer-Rao lower bound for the variance of any unbiased estimator of g theta is equal to theta e to the power minus theta equals to, this will be in the 4 options. So let's see which will be the option. Now we can say x1, x2 up to xn follows Poisson distribution with parameter theta. Now f theta x is equals to product of e to the power minus theta, theta to the power xi by xi factorial. Now L theta is equals to e to the power minus m theta, theta to the power summation of xi by product of xi factorial. Now we can say that ln L theta is equals to minus n theta plus log theta summation of xi minus summation of log xi factorial. Xi factorial. That equals to del theta of ln L theta is equals to minus n plus summation of xi by theta, and this gives us del 2 ln L theta is equals to minus summation of xi by theta square. Let me add a page. So expectation of minus del 2 del theta 2 ln L theta is equals to expectation of summation of xi by theta square, that gives us n theta by theta square is equals to n by theta. Now we can say g of theta is equals to theta e to the power minus theta, g dashed theta is equals to theta e to the power minus theta multiplied by minus 1 plus e to the power minus theta. That gives us e to the power minus theta multiplied by 1 minus theta. So, the required CRLB will be is equals to g dashed theta square by expectation of minus del 2 del theta 2 ln L theta, and this will give us e to the power minus 2 theta multiplied by 1 minus theta square by n by theta. That gives us 1 by n multiplied by theta 1 minus theta whole square into e to the power minus 2 theta. So, the correct option is 1 by n multiplied by theta into 1 minus theta whole square multiplied by e to the power minus 2 theta. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope this helped you solving your problems. For more videos, stay tuned and keep checking our channels. You will be provided more solutions of IIT JEE Mstat papers in the next videos. Thank you.